Hello friends and viewers, welcome you all to my channel Big Bull Trading. Today I will show you how you can buy or sell the share in Zerodha. This is the desktop account what I am using, and I will show you now how to buy and sell. But before you buy and sell, you should see that in the fund section you have to go and you have the already funds available. So before making any trading, just transfer the amount and then you can do the buy and sell. And after that you have to make a watch list here. For example, I have the Nifty Bank, the Bank Nifty options trading for this, and I have just add one IDFC Bank. So now I will show you how you to do it. I will show you again. For example, whatever name you want, you can put it here. For example, Canara Bank. So you can see, you just put it in this ad, it will give it here. So now I will show you for the IDFC Bank. Once you put the mouse on that, first one is for the buy, second one is for the sell, third one is for checking the market depth, fourth, the market depth is this one. Here you can see what price you have to buy, what are the number of orders pending. You can see there are orders of 31,694 at this price. So you can see the number of buyers and the number of sellers here. At presently the market, the buyers are more compared to the sellers. So this is the list. For example, this is the chart. I just show you now how to buy. For example, you want to buy. So once you put this buy one, you can see two options are there. There is the intraday, that is MIS, and there is the long term CNC. If you want to do the intraday trading, then you have to go to the MIS only. Once you go to the MIS, that is the intraday trading, and here you can see whether you want to do in the National Stock Exchange or Bombay Stock Exchange. National Stock Exchange, this is selected. You have to put the quantity here. If you want to buy 100, 1000 quantity, 1000, whatever. Now I am just showing you as a sample, so I will put 1. So this is the quantity you put. Secondly, here comes the price. For the price, I will show you two options. One is the market, one is the limit. What is the market? Market means when you buy or sell, whatever is the price, in that price the sale will be purchased. For example, if you want to buy now, the price is 50.25, so automatically it will be buy in this price. For example, if you want to buy at a particular price, for example, you want to only buy the share when the price will be 50.50. So when it becomes 50 paisa and 50 rupees, it will be executed this order. So for normal buying you can require this, and for intraday, for buying this share, you have to only give a margin of 10 rupees is required for your account. So now I will buy this share and show you. So I just want to buy, I will click in the buy bottom and purchased. So you can see now this one is purchased. I have purchased this one at this price. So if we go to the now to the positions, you can see this is already the position, means what are the order I have taken. This is showing IDFC Bank is there 50 rupees and it's done. For exiting this order, how you have to sell the share now. Once you purchased, you go to the options and you can see the options of the exit. In the exit you can do two things. For example, you want to put a stop loss. If you want to put a stop loss, you can do it from here. Whatever amount you want, you can put it in the stop loss. Here you can put for example, you want a stop loss when the price will go 50. So you make like this 50, and whenever in the stop loss market means whenever the 50 will become the price, automatically the order will be taking place and it will be executed. Example I am showing you, I put this price and I put it for sell. So once I put it in the sell, if you go in the order column again, you will see that sell is already there. Whenever it becomes 49.50, automatically it will be sell out. And this is the stop loss, and now you want to put the target. For example, you want to put the target of, and so you go to the limit, what price you want to sell. For example, now it is 50 40. You want to sell at that price, you will go to the market and click it. For me, I want to do it only when it becomes 50-40. I want to sell this and put it, and I will put the sell bottom. So once I put, the order is punched in the system, you see it's already there. So whenever there will be any buyer, it will be sold to that buyer. We will just wait few seconds and I will show you how the order is executed. So now you can see it's complete. The sale is completed at 50.40. So this is the trigger is pending for the stop loss. So we will just go here and cancel the stop loss bottom. And so now we will go to the position and I will show you. So we purchased this one. This is just a sample, one piece I am doing to show you. So it's a profit of plus 10 paisa. So this is how you have to buy and sell the shares. And after you sell the share, always go to the position and you will see it's showing 0, means it's completed. And in the order you can see, once is the buy order, second one what we cancelled, this is the stop loss, and this is the sell order. This is how you have to buy and sell the shares in Zerodha. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share it with the others, and this will be helpful to the others also. And I will bring more videos regarding what about the price action, how to select the stocks, everything I will do step by step. So for today, as of now, bye bye, thank you.